I'm gonna do a quick review over this Expert grill, this portable gas grill that I picked up from Walmart today. I just needed something to grill when I'm out there on the pipeline, warm things up. And this thing is pretty cheap. But I'm gonna take it apart. I already put it together, but I'm gonna take it apart here and put it back together and show you how easy it is to put back together. So you can just toss your instructions and just follow this. It's really simple to do. I'm gonna show you. It's one part that's kind of hard, but I'm gonna do a close-up shot of it. It's really simple. First thing what you want to do, you got your lid here, and I'm gonna show you the different parts. This is the stuff that comes in there, and then you got your handle, and you got your screws, your wing nuts, and you got your different size screws, and you got a couple of washers. And this is the hardest part right here, but it's really simple. I'm gonna do a close-up shot of it, and you all got all your other different parts, and we're gonna put this thing together. Just follow these instructions. And this right here is your burner. And like I said, this thing is cheap. And then you got your gas. You can get a couple of these for about $8 at Walmart, or probably could get them from HEB. But I heard that they last a long time. So let's put this thing together. First, what you want to do is take the top, the lid, put the handle on, take this flat part, put it on, put your couple of washers on, and put your lug wings on, lug nuts, or they call them wing nuts. And you tighten it down, you just hand tighten it. Next thing what you want to do is put these pieces on. This is the hardest part. I told you, just slide it in that groove, and these holes line up together. You got one big hole and one little hole, and the screw go into this little hole right here. So you take your screw and put your wing nut on the inside of it, and that bigger hole is for your legs. And we're gonna do that next once we put these four brackets on. So I'm gonna put this first one on, and I'm gonna just speed it up so I won't waste too much of your time. So you just put that wing nut on, and what I did, I went on and put the four wing nuts on. Then I got my Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah, you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten these down. See how easy that is? If you look at this, you see the two holes, that little hole and the big hole. They line up with each other. And that's the hardest part. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these other three on, and I'm gonna tighten them down with my Phillips head screwdriver. As you see, I'm gonna tighten all four of them down. And you can get, I like using my portable screwdriver. I'm getting older and I don't feel like doing all that work. So it takes off half your time by using the right tools. Okay, next you take this, these are your legs. See, you just slide it in that big hole I told you about. And if it don't go in, the problem is, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna look on the inside. That wing nut is covering that hole. The only thing you have to do is just turn it about a quarter of a turn. You can see what I did to make sure that the legs will go in. So your wing nut will block that hole. So just turn it a little bit like I did there, and watch how easy this other leg slides on. So you take it and put it in that hole, pull it. That's it. So that's how you put your legs on. Once that's done, you want to put these brackets right here on. This is how it go on. See if I can get a close-up shot for you. Just like this, and it takes two of the nuts and two of the wing nuts, one on each side. So we're gonna put this side on right here. Just take, these are the bigger nuts right here. And take that wing nut and put it on the inside. And all your wing nuts are on the inside. So you see I got those two brackets on. And I'm gonna take this bottom part and make sure your lettering, it says top front, is on top. Line the holes up. Then you want to put your burner in. And it's only one way it can go in. You see the hole over there by my right side of my hand? And you take one of those bigger nuts and just screw it down. That's it. And you take this piece right here, put it over your burner. Put your rack on. Screw your propane fitting on. This to adjust your gas. And I thought this thing was broken, but it's not. You can tighten it, or you can tighten it a little bit snug, but what it is, it's still gonna be loose. I'm gonna pull it up front so you can see it. It can rotate 360. You see how that is? That's how it's supposed to do. So it's not broke. But once you get everything on, what you want to do is take your gas and you want to light this thing and burn it for 15 minutes to burn off the paint and stuff before you put any food on. So you take your propane bottle and you twist it on, hand tight. Once it's on, we're going to zoom in and we're going to turn the gas on. So what you want to do is turn it, and when it goes to the off, you've got to push it in and turn it on. And then you light it. Like I said, burn it for about 15 minutes. Once that's done, you take your steak or whatever. I got some pork steaks here. I went and got something just to try this grill out. See the flame is going. So I'm gonna throw my pork on there and our sausage. This will be my dinner for tonight. So that's all to it. And for the price, you know, if you use this thing for 6 months, you can get you another one. Like I said, I picked this one up at Walmart, and I think you probably could get these on Amazon. Probably a little bit more expensive on Amazon. But as you can see, it's grilling really good. I'm gonna come back in about 15 minutes and see what it looks like. And I got my gas turned up, not all the way on high, in between, so I got it medium. 15 minutes later, see, we got a little flame going. And you see that flame, that's the grease falling off the pork right there onto that tray. But everything seemed to work great. It's good, like I said, for if you're out there on a pipeline, you need to warm something up. You need to cook you some noodles or some hot dogs, whatever, or warm up your food. This is the perfect little grill for it. So if somebody steal it, okay, you can probably get you another one for the price. So that's all to it. So I'm gonna take it here off the grill and we'll give it a try. See what we got here.